Tereshita Chisa tries to tap in her kitchen, waiting for water that hasn't run here in a month. Her home lost access during a magnitude 7.6 earthquake that left over 230 people dead and devastated Japan's western coast. A month later, her family is rationing water with no sign of change.
地震始まってからも水が出なくなって、で今現在出てなくて、復旧のめどが2月末ぐらいから順番に復旧していくっていうのがテレビで流れてるだけの情報しかないので、出るのを待つしかないのかなっていう、まだ1月末やしあと1ヶ月2ヶ月は出ないのかなっていう。
Tereshita's family is not the only one waiting. The earthquake devastated communities and forced thousands of residents into evacuation centers. And the road to recovery has been slow.
まだ復興まで行かんでしょね。今やっと水が出たばっかりで、お風呂も長い間入られなんで、ここにも大きい風呂あるんやけど、それも朝霧5時から行って普段風呂ってこんな入られる、そんな状態でした。今ちょっと楽になったそうです。
Officials have set up temporary shelters, currently home to more than 13,000 survivors. With conditions as they are, and the restoration of running water not expected for another 2 months, there are fears of an impending health crisis. Communal water tanks have become a lifeline for communities who are adjusting to their new reality.
この生活にでもだいぶ慣れて、これが当たり前にちょっとなりつつあるので、どうにか乗り切れるかなっていう乗り切るしかないなっていう思いだけで今過ごしてますね。
Aid is coming to the area as fast as it can, but the extent of devastation has made access to basic necessities a struggle. And survivors have to make do as they wait for their access to vital supplies to be restored. Dolphine, Chen, and Herel Hughes for TaiwanPlus.